Hello guys, we have come to the end of the Bitcoin halving. Alright, so 2024 was the year of Bitcoin halving, and we all know that Bitcoin is the mother of all other cryptocurrency. Alright, Bitcoin determines what the other cryptocurrency will do. Okay, if Bitcoin is retracing 50%, other cryptocurrency will retrace 100%. You know that. Okay, so Bitcoin is the mother of other cryptocurrency, and Bitcoin controls the crypto market. All right, so 2024 is the end of Bitcoin halving. Based on my analysis, 2025 there will be a massive retracement in the crypto space. You see a lot of coins dropping, you see a lot of retracement on the market. Okay, so the previous Bitcoin halving was in the year of 2021. Okay, that was when Bitcoin was around $69,000. That was the all-time high in 2021, and after 3 years we had Bitcoin at $104,000. Okay, and Bitcoin halving always happen every 3 years. The last one was at 2021, and the current one is 2024. The next one will be at 2027. Okay, so next year being 2025, there will be a massive retracement. Okay, so if you're holding any coin, if you're trading any coin, any shit coin, any, like, you know what I mean by shit coin, immediately we get into 2025, you just need to sell off the market and wait for retracement. If you don't know how to trade futures and you only know how to trade spots, while we're in 2025, you can trade with little amount of money, because based on the charts, based on the investors, we all know that the big investors determines what happened in the market. Those that trade with a very high volume determines what happened in the market. All right, so if you're trading spot is very difficult for you to set a stop loss. Okay, you trade with a very small amount of money, amount that you know that even though a daily candle or a 4-hour candle drops drastically, that you won't be able to a lot of losses, okay, in the market. So if you're trading spots, you trade with a very small amount from your capital. Okay, but if you are good in futures trading, you can trade with I think with $50 to $100 or $20 to $30, and you set your stop loss. If you're trading with $30, you can set your stop loss at, okay, I'll be risking $5, I'll be risking $7, I'll be risking $4 for this trade. Okay, and that is how you set your stop loss. But in sports, after placing your buy limit, you can also set your stop limit, but it doesn't really work very well. For me, it doesn't really work very well on sports. That principle works very nice with futures trading. Okay, so I'll advise you, for those of you that are trading shit coins, immediately we get into 2025, sell off your shit coins and wait for a retracement. In 2025, immediately we get into 2025, maybe the first 2 months, the market will be trading high. As we get to the middle of the year, it will drop drastically. It will drop. Bitcoin can even drop to 60,000. Yeah, 60 to 50,000, and it will go back again. All right, so that is just my analysis in this video. Okay, maybe in the next video I'm going to go into details in chart drawing, how the movement will be. Okay, so in the next video over here, I'm going to make a video about Lono wallet. And I know a lot of you know about Lono wallet. They're doing a little giveaway program where you refer someone and you get a sum of $10. Okay, $10 in Nigeria is 16,300. Okay, so when you refer someone with your referral code, you get 16,300, and the person you refer will also get 16,300. And if you're not in Nigeria, you get $10. Okay, you get $10. I hope I'm right. Okay, $1 is $1 is 16,300. So you refer someone and you get $10. So on the screen here, that is my referral code in case you want to sign up with Lono. Okay, in the next video I'll do an official process where you can make this money, this $10, free of charge from Lono. Okay, just imagine you can even make more than $10. Just imagine you refer more than 20 people. That is 16,000 times 20, and you know what that means, or $10 times 20, you know what that means. Okay, so I've come to the end of this video. If you find this video educating and entertaining, just want you to like, share and subscribe to this channel. That is the only way you can support me. All right, see you in the next video. Peace out.